Welcome to our channel, everyone. Now before we get started, remember this video is for general information purposes only, and isn't a replacement for personalized medical advice. We're not medical professionals, so always consult with your own doctor about your specific health needs. Now let's talk about feeling strong and vibrant, no matter your age. As we get older, maintaining muscle mass becomes so important for our overall health and independence. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, having energy, and preventing falls. That's why, in this must-watch video, we're diving deep into 10 powerful foods backed by science that can help you rebuild muscle mass, even if you're in your 70s, 80s, or beyond. These foods are packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive as you age. So let's get right to it. First up, we have a delicious and versatile food that many people enjoy already: Greek yogurt. This creamy treat is a powerhouse for building and maintaining muscle. Packed with casein protein, it provides a steady stream of amino acids. This helps with muscle recovery and growth, especially as we age. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, crucial for strong bones. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Add natural sweetness with fresh berries or honey. Enjoy it as a snack, in breakfast parfaits or savory dips. Next, let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. These swimmers are not only delicious, but they're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them through our diet. Now, why are omega-3s so important for muscle health? Well, they have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic low-grade inflammation can contribute to muscle loss and weakness over time. Omega-3s help to combat this inflammation, protecting your muscles and keeping them strong. But there's more. Research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids can actually boost the body's use of protein, further enhancing muscle growth and repair. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Bake it, grill it, or even try it canned for a convenient and affordable option. Let's move on to another nutritional powerhouse: eggs. Eggs have long been praised for their high-quality protein content, making them a fantastic food for muscle building at any age. They contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce themselves. One of these essential amino acids, leucine, is particularly important for muscle growth. Leucine acts like a switch, turning on the process of muscle protein synthesis, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. But eggs offer more than just protein. They're also packed with choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in brain health and cognitive function. And as we age, maintaining cognitive health is just as important as maintaining physical health. So, don't shy away from eggs. Enjoy them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Scramble them, poach them, or add them to salads and sandwiches for a protein boost. Now let's talk about the power of plants. Nuts and seeds may be small, but they're packed with nutrients that can support muscle health. They're a great source of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making them an excellent snack or addition to meals. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all excellent choices. They provide a good amount of leucine, that muscle-building amino acid we talked about earlier, along with other essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. Magnesium is essential for muscle function and recovery, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Plus, the healthy fats found in nuts and seeds help to reduce inflammation, further supporting muscle health. So, keep a variety of nuts and seeds on hand for a quick and easy snack. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy a handful on their own. Next up, we have beans and legumes, a staple in many cultures around the world. These nutritional powerhouses are not only budget-friendly but also incredibly beneficial for muscle health. They're packed with plant-based protein and fiber, which is digested slowly, providing a sustained release of energy. This slow digestion is particularly beneficial for muscle growth and repair, because it provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles over a longer period. But that's not all. Beans and legumes are also excellent for gut health. They're rich in prebiotic fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, including muscle health, as it plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption and reducing inflammation. Incorporate beans and legumes into your diet regularly. Add them to soups, stews, salads, or make them the star of the show in veggie burgers or dips. Now let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and other leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health, including muscle health. One of the key nutrients found in leafy greens is nitrates. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps to improve blood flow to muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. This increased blood flow can enhance muscle performance and recovery. Leafy greens are also an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and muscle function. Vitamin K helps to regulate calcium in the body, ensuring that it's directed to bones and teeth where it's needed most. Aim to include a variety of leafy greens in your diet daily. Add them to smoothies, salads, sandwiches, or sauté them as a side dish. Chapter 7. Olive oil, the liquid gold for muscle health. Now let's drizzle in some healthy fats with olive oil. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet, is renowned for its health benefits, including its positive impact on muscle health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. These fats can help to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more efficiently for energy. This is important because insulin resistance can lead to muscle loss over time. But that's not all. Olive oil also contains oleocanthal, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties. As we discussed earlier, chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle loss, so reducing inflammation is crucial for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Use olive oil as your primary cooking oil, drizzle it over salads, or add it to marinades and dressings. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Chapter 8. Berries, tiny fruits, mighty muscle protection. Let's add some color and flavor to our muscle-building diet with berries. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Antioxidants are crucial for muscle health because they help to protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Berries are also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to maintain the integrity of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Plus, the fiber in berries helps to regulate blood sugar levels, providing sustained energy for your muscles. Enjoy berries as a snack, add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or use them to top off your pancakes or waffles. Chapter 9. Lean beef, a muscle-building classic. Let's talk about a classic muscle-building food: lean beef. Beef is an excellent source of high-quality protein and leucine, which promotes muscle growth. It's also rich in creatine, providing energy to muscles. This can lead to increased muscle mass and strength. Additionally, beef is a good source of iron, essential for muscle function. Choose lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin. Enjoy it grilled, roasted, or pan-fried as part of a balanced meal. Chapter 10. Whey protein, the post-workout muscle booster. Finally, let's talk about whey protein. While not technically a food, whey protein is a popular supplement that can be a valuable tool for building and maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. Whey protein is a milk-derived protein that's quickly absorbed by the body, making it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. It's rich in branched-chain amino acids, particularly leucine, which, as we've discussed, is crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Whey protein can be easily incorporated into smoothies, yogurt, or even oatmeal for a protein boost. You can also find it in various flavors, making it a convenient and enjoyable way to increase your protein intake. If you're considering adding whey protein to your diet, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. Chapter 11. Fuel your muscles, fuel your life. So there you have it, 10 powerful foods that can help you rebuild and maintain muscle mass, no matter your age. Remember, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise, can make a world of difference in your overall health and well-being as you age. If you found our tips helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below to support others on their wellness journey. And be sure to check back for more videos on how to live your healthiest life. Remember, age is just a number. By making healthy choices, you can feel strong, vibrant, and empowered at any stage of life.